Hey boys, we're going to be testing out the charged shotgun, but we're going to be doing it in creative. Whoop. So there's a map, top center, there's a code to it, but it has to be in creative fill. This might be really laggy for you guys, alright? This might be really laggy, alright? But basically, there's this map, but you have to be in creative fill to play it, so get in creative fill, alright? And I muted my desktop audio because it's really loud right now. Because, like, there's a lot of stuff going on. So I'm just going to practice the charge shotgun, but, like, in creative because it's top center code, creative fill. Go into this vault over here. To this vault. And see, that's a charge shotgun. And it's in creative. I know charge shotguns aren't in creative yet. But this person somehow found a way to get charged shotguns. So, yeah. So, we're just going to be testing them out in creative and stuff. So, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like always, hit that like button. And if you want, you can subscribe. I'm not telling you you have to. But you kind of have to. Or else I'm not going to like you. I'm coming for you. If you don't subscribe, I'm coming for you. I know my loadout might look a little weird. It's because I just picked up random weapons. So, yeah. But you know who's the best at... Hey, I dressed up like McCreamy because I got a hunger for, so... You know? Yeah, I'll still go check out McCreamy. Let's get up... Ooh, and there's crash hides in the box. But if you try to pick up a grenade, it won't work. Oof! That was a big oof. I don't know why that happened. That was cool. I feel like that shouldn't have hit him, but no complaints. And I tried to go into the secret area. Doopy-doo. Whoa. So yeah, this video is basically, going around using the charged shotgun and everybody. I don't think a bunch of people know about this. I don't know. I've muted anybody just in case, like stuff. So I've muted everybody. That's in game chat, but oh boy. No. What do you think you're doing? No. So I just got in this skin, so And yes, support to BHE. I think he has a YouTube channel. I'm not. The person has a charge shotgun too. Boys, he has a charge shotgun. And yes, apologies again if this video is laggy. It's because I'm pretty laggy. I'm gonna. You know what? I'm gonna promote myself. I'm promoting myself to the Lag King. And in my Miss Shotgun Shot skin. And I miss my shotgun shotgun. Bruh. Why am I missing all my shotgun shots, man? Whoa. What? Edit! Edit! Finally. Hello. Whoa. That was a bot. I mean, I'm not offending them. I was just saying that guy wasn't the best player now. Excuse me? Remember when I said I couldn't hit my shotgun shots? That's a good example of that. The person was AFK and I still couldn't. Alright, I'm done. No way. Hello. So bad, you know? I don't know why I'm trying to do that. Whoa! Come down. I don't know how these people are so good with this challenge. I'm just watching, man. I'm just watching. Brrr! Skid. What the heck? Did you see that too? There's like a leaf in that wood. There's a snake. Oh! There's a leaf in that wood. Yep. This is what I like to do in this game. That was old. They jumped. Bam. Yes, thank you. Boom. Oh, that was close. No, I have to dress up like McCreamy. That's my Halloween costume. McCreamy. Sadly, I do not have the purple version. Not OG. Not OG. Whew. Well, this video was about testing the charge shotgun in creative, and I think we have done that, boys. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe as always, and see you in the next one.